Hello guys, it's Hritik Jage and you are watching TechnoMite. Today we are going to discuss about and what is the difference between male and female connectors. So guys, let's get started. First of all, understanding the difference between male and female connectors. If there is anything more confusing than the uninitiated about connectors, it is term male and female assigned to identify connectors. In engineering, however, there is difference between male and female connectors can mean a huge error in mechanical design of equipment. For process equipment, it can mean a disaster. Connectors are meant to fit neatly and seamlessly together, otherwise the end result is costly for plant managers and business owners. It is extremely important to understand the difference between male and female conductors and which you need most. The male connector. While it may seem humorous to call any type of connector with protrusion male, it is a basic form of connector identification. The male connection may be attached to a cable, some type of hardware or one or more wires. For instance, a home consists of many male connectors. A two-branched electric plug is one example. The male connector is designed to be inserted into another piece of equipment. Using the electrical plugs as an example, if electrical plug doesn't fit snugly into the electric outlet, the end result is no connection to electrical impulse in the outlet. Which is need more in this case is debatable. Without the plug, the outlet is useless. Without the outlet, the plug is just a plug with two prongs. Other type of male connectors. There are other easily identifiable male connectors. One familiar to most people, easy to identify as their USB cable plug. At the end of USB cable is a plug that connects the modern computer. These USB plugs are intended to meet computer system standard in order to be useful. Often, male connectors have a series of prongs or pins that originates from a small base of adapters. It's important to understand the use of male connectors. In certain instances, there are male to male connector attached to adapters for the purpose of dual connections. Male connection range in size depending on the specific for use. Now female connectors. Female connectors like male connectors may be attached to hardware, wires or cables. This is where the similar ends. Female connectors have small holes or openings into which a male connector can be inserted. Using the example of electrical outlet, note the opening in the outlet awaited insertion of the electrical plug. Computers also have several female connectors that allow insertion of cables for keyboards, monitors, and other computerized devices. Female connectors also vary in size as evidenced by the size of female connectors on computer that allow for insertion of USB cable. A female connector in industrial project may be as small as 3 or 4-inch coupler or fastener or as long as a 6-foot pipe. Industrial female connectors may have a series of threads into which the female connector is inserted or tightened. How to use male and female connectors. In most cases, male or female connectors can be added one to the other for a multitude of uses. Children often learn to use male and female connectors with toys that snap together such as Tinker toys, which male or female connectors use need dependent on how they will be used. You need electrical outlets and plugs for lighting and small appliances.